Hi, welcome to another video, and it's time for another car show. Today we're going to Classic Car Sundays at the Departure Lounge Cafe in Alton, Hampshire. This event runs on the first Sunday of every month from April until October. This is the first one of 2024 that we've been to, so really looking forward to it. Went to a few of them last year. It was always a good day. Well, I say day, it's only a couple of hours, but lots of people turn up. I am wondering if that will be the case today though, because it's raining, unfortunately, and some people don't like bringing their car out in the wet, which I understand, especially if you've spent a lot of time and money restoring a car. You don't want it to get spoiled, so that's fair enough. As for this car, it's no trailer queen. This gets used in all kinds of weather, all kinds of conditions, so I really don't mind. I know it's raining, ice cream. There's always time for ice cream, right? So it rained and it rained and it rained, and as such many people have left early, so we've decided to come here into the cafe to have a nice warm drink before we head off home. We did still manage to see a few cars, and some of them were really interesting. I was especially interested in the the Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, which had been painted in matte black. Very bold choice for a Rolls-Royce. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully we'll have some more for you very soon, so please do check back. As always, please subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll never miss a future video. Thanks ever so much. Take care.